This is your tutorial for the practice activity and challenge of the previous lecture within this section. I hope you have trained a lot on 3D camera tracking and you're just coming to this lecture to verify that you have done extremely well. Please guys, info is nice, but practicing is much better, and this is what will get you to be very skilled in After Effects. Let's start resolving the challenge. What I've done until now is to apply the track camera effect and to resolve it with a variable zoom. So I got lots of track points all over the place. Our first duty is to add the text over here. If you zoom in just a bit, you will notice that you have very many good track points here. I will select this one. I can just come to the middle and take it down a bit, just like this. And I can right click and say create text. Notice how the text appeared here. It writes the word text. I am sure that you know that already because you tried to resolve the challenge. Now, in the paragraph, I centered the text. Select the text and put it on the left, maybe. Look how it's gonna come out. The anchor point will be on the left. So I will put it on the middle here, and it's working. So I'll take it down a bit. That's the first thing I want to do. Okay. I press Shift and take it down. I will double click on the text and write welcome. If you select your text layer and go to the character panel, I hope you have put the font size to a high value because you are going to take it down a lot sometimes. I will use the selection tool now to put it up in the center and scrub through and see if it's working. Is it stuck to the ceiling? Actually, it's 100% perfect. Here you are. Now, let's give it some blending here, guys. And let's go give it an overlay. Will do nice, I think. Here you are. That's not bad at all. So now it's like integrated on the rooftop. Let's start the second one. The second one, we're supposed to put the composition over here, the circles. This one over here is a very nice one. It has a repeater and a loop out. Okay, you can create anything you want. I mean, better than this. I'm trying to be simple for the course. So let's select our layer and go to Effects Controls and select 3D Camera Tracker. Let's come over here and choose the best possible. Okay, I think this is cool. Yeah, we have to take it down, but this will work. So I will right click and add a solid layer. You could add a null layer, but I prefer to add a solid layer. And check it out before I put the comp. It seems like it's stuck, it glued over here. Very nice rendering. Let's stop over here, go back to the beginning. Select the layer and go to the project panel. Select the circle, press Alt or Option on the Mac and do a simple replacement. Let's play now. And wow, it's working at 100%. Let's zoom to 100% or zoom to fit. Here you are. If you deselect, you have a very nice animation. You notice how simple it is. Let's come over here and give it also an overlay. Okay, so we change the transform mode. It looks much nicer. If you find the circle small, you can always use the scale to make it bigger. Okay, let's go to the maximum. I guess this is it. And you can make it bigger. In fact, let's take it down a bit. Here you are. And even make it bigger. So it has some influence. I think that's okay. Let's play. Pretty cool, guys. You could also animate it, you know. Come over here and open, for example, position and Shift R for orientation. Keyframe both of them. And then let's move them to this side. Using the X, move them to this side. We zoom first. We make sure we are seeing all the video. And just move over here. Okay, that will be nice. Then, at the end, just over here maybe. And we use the X again, press Shift and just move it to this side. We don't want it to touch with anything. Let's play it and see exactly what's happening. So now it's being animated and it's like it's stuck over to the ceiling. It's up to you if you want to animate it. It's just a bonus. So guys, the practice activity and challenge was honestly very easy. Have you tried? Have you tried to do it? I hope now that you've seen how it's done, you go back and but create more. You know, change the pre-comp, try to attach things all over, make all your mistakes, have fun, guys. It's very important that you have fun. Notice, guys, I'm just wondering here, do you think you can attach anything over here? right? Something like popping or some kind of animal coming out, use a picture or something like this. I hope you come over and play a lot. Thank you very much for listening. I will see you in the next lecture.